When you're looking for the ideal laundry solutions for your business, what criteria do you use to decide the best fit? Huebsch has the answers for your commercial laundry needs. Experience. Founded in Milwaukee, Wisconsin in 1907, Huebsch has been at the forefront of commercial laundry for more than a century. Through the years, Huebsch has remained a progressive company whose accomplishments have helped to contribute to the evolution of the commercial laundry industry. Today, Huebsch remains a leader in commercial laundry and is committed to providing not only the highest quality laundry equipment, but also unmatched service and support. Industry knowledge. Huebsch has an unmatched understanding of the vended and on-premises laundry markets. We infuse that knowledge into every machine we manufacture to equip our customers with everything they need to achieve success. The Huebsch is the answer philosophy. When current or prospective customers think of Huebsch, they should think of experienced professionals who answer questions and act as a consultant, not just sellers of equipment. Unparalleled performance. Huebsch washer extractors and tumble dryers are built to outlast the rigors of commercial laundries. Our equipment is expertly crafted for maximum durability, unrivaled reliability, and world-class performance. Cutting-edge innovation. The Huebsch Galaxy control systems give vended laundry owners and on-premises laundry managers complete control over their facilities. Huebsch commercial laundry equipment is among the most efficient on the market. We offer washer extractors and drying tumblers specifically designed to reduce water and energy consumption. Industry-leading support. Huebsch distributors and representatives are true laundry experts and are dedicated to your success. They're available to offer comprehensive support and advice, including maintenance and safety information, laundry room design, and training seminars. One-stop financing. Teamed with the world leader in the commercial laundry market, Alliance Laundry Systems, Huebsch Financial delivers financing solutions tailored to your specific needs. No prepayment penalties, flexible payment options, clearly stated terms. For ideal laundry solutions, you need the complete package. Experience. Industry knowledge. Unparalleled performance. Cutting-edge innovation. Industry-leading support. One-stop financing. For all of your vended and on-premises laundry needs, Huebsch is the answer.